In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record cost of goods sold in QuickBooks Online. Before we jump in, here's a quick bit of context. Cost of goods sold, or COGS, represents what it cost you to provide the products you sold. Recording it properly ensures your profit and loss report shows an accurate gross profit. Many companies let QuickBooks handle this automatically when they use inventory items on sales forms. If that's you, be careful not to duplicate COGS with a manual entry. The method I'm showing here is for cases where you need a manual adjustment or when your setup doesn't post COGS automatically. First, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and sign into your company file. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create or Plus New icon near the top of the screen. Click it to open the menu of Transactions. From that menu, choose Journal Entry. This form gives you full control over the accounts and amounts, which is exactly what we need for a clean COGS adjustment. Set the journal date to the day you want the cost to hit your books, often the last day of the month if you're doing a period-end adjustment. You can also add a memo like COGS adjustment for January to make future review easier. Now complete the lines of the journal. On the first line, select your cost of goods sold account. Enter the cost amount as a debit. This should be the actual cost of the item sold, not the sales price. If you track class or location for reporting, choose those here so your COGS rolls up to the right segment. On the second line, select the inventory asset account if you're moving costs out of inventory, and enter the same amount as a credit. That reduces inventory by the cost you just recognized in COGS. If you don't track inventory in QuickBooks and your costs were booked to a purchases or materials account, credit that account instead. The key idea is that the debit goes to COGS, and the offsetting credit comes from wherever the cost currently lives, so your entry stays balanced and accurate. Take a moment to confirm that total debits equal total credits, and that you've used the correct date, accounts, and any needed classes or locations. If you have backup, like an inventory valuation report or a cost worksheet, attach it to this journal for a solid audit trail. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. Your profit and loss will now reflect the COGS amount for that date, and your inventory or purchases balances will be reduced accordingly.